I don't even know what to say to that. Normally I'm a person of like many words, but I am absolutely speechless. That was stunning. Well done, Charles. Bella. I don't know what to say. I was not expecting that. I mean, I've never heard a song. I've never heard the song. There's no lyrics. So I don't know what wow. Like I'm sure like God just heard what you just sang. So yeah, I'm kind of blown away and speechless. And the whole act, you proper put on a performance. Well done. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, Chelsea, when you said that you were going to sing that song, my chest was filled with pure worry because it's really, really hard. The placement has to be absolutely spot on to get up, down. And you did really, really well. There were the odd bits that were a bit pitchy, you know yourself. You can tell that you're a perfectionist and you do know what you're doing. But it's nerves, it's getting up there and singing something that's just well away with the fairies. So you've got to take your hat, I've got to take my hat off to you for even attempting it, but you did it really well. Like I say, a little bit pitchy, but even the performance itself, the way that you performed the song was just brilliant. You gave us the full package. Well done, babe.
Thanks, Joey.
Chelsea, I mean, in all honesty, I think that thoroughly deserved a standing ovation because I don't think there's any one of us across this panel in this room who would be able to do what you just done there. 100%, right? That isn't singing a song. That is showing us your structure, your ability, your strength, your higher, your lower. And do you know what? I actually suggested this on the panel at the end of last week. I said, I want to see you doing this. You're an operatic singer and you're an incredible opera singer. But you've been given up tempo. You have to do something up tempo. And in all honesty, I think you've taken on, for somebody who should have found this the hardest this week, I think you took on the most up tempo song of the night. That was so odd and unusual, and now you did that as an opera singer. That shouldn't have been done, and that's what I love about this process is that we find moments like that, because that we wouldn't see anyway. So honestly, I applaud you for taking on that challenge. You look amazing, the dress is stunning. Like if I was to critique you, it would be that you didn't need to have any performance there. You could have just stood it and sang. That's all. But honestly, yeah, like I said, Louise picked up, there was a few bits that weren't bang on, but let me tell you now, none of us would get that bang on in this room. No way. Nobody I know in this room would get that bang on. I'm sorry, Louise, I don't even think you'd get that bang on. Like, I know everyone's singing, I know what everyone's singing. I was like, Louise, not Joe, Louise. No, let me tell you, that is hard, especially when you do that bit that I pointed back. That run down. Up there. That is ridiculous, and honestly, I think you've done a tremendous job for what you have to do up there. Honestly, I think you smashed the scene, and my favourite out of that category. Well done, Charles.
Thank you.